Mike's over.
Copy that.
Yo, does anyone else really not get what the fuck we're doing here?
Quit being a fucking hippie, Montez.
I'm just saying, bro, if this is about the PLR, we should be in Iran, not Iraq.
They're crossing borders, dog. PLR's the right people, all right? They don't make them any righter.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. We have a situation developing here. Get your team dismounted and into the staging area ASAP.
This is 1-3. Copy out.
What the fuck are we stopping here for? Our objective's 20 clicks north of here.
I don't know, Montez. Yeah, let's get out of the road. Okay, let's go. Move.
I guess we're late to the party. Where's the LT? Hanging right up here. Hey!
Hey, you ever ask yourself how this part of the world gets so fucked up all the time?
I just work here, Dave.
Get out here. Doing stuff, you're running around, and then suddenly you go to get that kid, and they don't have him.
No, hey, how about these? The shit that you had back in May. Remember that? Remember that stuff you taught me how to use, and then now you don't get there?
Gentlemen, welcome. As you know, we're dealing with the PLR insurgents crossing over from Iran. A lot of sectarian tension. I counsel you to remember, gentlemen, the people of this country are not your enemy. The PLR is. At 0930, we lost contact with the Viper Squad. They're investigating a possible IED near Spinza Meat Market. That's a pretty fucking bad part of town. We believe the PLR involved. Sending you in to find our Marines, provide support, call in Kazovac if necessary. You're the quick reaction force, gentlemen. I'm trusting you to handle this. Let's go find our Marines.
We're on it. Let's go.
Way behind, gentlemen. Let's go find this patrol. We have a sit rep on enemy inside this district. Assume the worst.
Go.
Getting mad creep out vibes in here.
ID your targets.
What is this? School?
All right, I keep forgetting. They don't have schools where you come from.
Stick together. Check your corners.
What was that? Somebody needs to tell EOD to blow those ammo dumps further away.
Wake tremor. We're like 90 clicks from a major fault.
Big cross street here. Hella exposed.
Wait, what? Something coming. Back. Wait for him to pass. Let's move. Crossing twos. Black. Activate the door on the right.
Okay, moving.
Get the lead out, Black. Now!
Not a single civvy. I don't like this shit.
rep. I'm up.
I'm up. I'm fucked up, but I'm up.
RPG, Mike 12! Second floor! Fucking car!
Friendly's coming in. Friendly's coming in. Everybody, light that building the fuck up!
Black! Tango's on the building, far end parking lot! They're flanking!
Moving.
Right there! Right there! Coming over the wall! One side! Contact left! Taking cover! Now! Come on! Black, hurry the fuck up.
We got him. Hey, buddy.
All right,
Can you feel this?
up we go. Check your corners.
I hope Chaffin's gonna be okay.
He'll be fine. He's a tough son of a bitch.
Another trimmer?
Maybe. Let's keep moving.
Eyes open. It's all you. Shit! Too exposed. Gotta go cover to cover. Don't stay visible in the window.
Wait there!
These guys weren't local. They weren't speaking Arabic. Al-Bashir's exporting all-star insurgent talent out of Iran to here now?
I don't know. Let's just get up on that roof.
Misfit 1-3, this is Misfit Actual. That sniper's still up. Be careful out there.
Clear. Clear. Here we go. Shit! Contact! Anyone got eyes on? Can't see him. Dude, that's a fucking 50. Stay low. Stay low.
It's the hotel. Hotel, I think.
Let's go. Cover to cover. We'll draw them out.